Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel. So today we will learn about iPhone tutorial, and I'd like to show you specifically step by step how you can get the document inside of the zip file on your iPhone. Now you just need to open the files whenever you got those zip files in, and here it is right away. Luckily I already found the folders, which is this zip options. Now if you want to get the files inside of this zip, you just need to do this instead. You just need to click and hold into these files, click and hold, and they will give you this option, and then you just need to go click this quick look. Now you will have this type of option. Now you just need to go click this preview content, and they will bring you into the brief teaser of the document inside of the files here. See, I got this for pictures inside of the zip files. So if you want to get this pictures or this document inside of the zip files, you just need to go click, tap this, and then you just need to save all of the picture into your phone. But there will be another alternative way that is so simple, easy, and real quick. You just need to go back. Make sure that you go back into this type of look. So if you want to extract or you want to get the documents inside of this zip, you just need to simply tap it, tap. And then it will be automatically extracted from this zip. And then just to go click open the folder, and those all files are already extracted. So simple and easy. So that's for today's tutorial. If you already have some questions, just drop into the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe into this channel, guys, to find more tutorial about iPhone. Let's meet again into other video. Thank you.